You know, I'm going to opt to not pull the paper up yet until I pull the staples. I swept up the best I could. Okay, and this is what you're going to look like so far. And of course, I've got my construction light here. And, you know, I'm going to get down on the floor and turn my construction light on. Then I'll be able to see the staples nice and easily. If you think you can see the staples without the construction light on, you know, you got to squint and stuff. Yeah, I've got a couple lights. I've got a couple lights up there, but it just doesn't give you enough. Okay, and I just bring my construction light whenever I have a project because I never know when I'm going to need it. And so I'll just leave it like that. And all I'm going to use is my cutters. And I'll get a rhythm here after a while, but I'll be able to see where the staples are, and then I can just put it in there and pull it out. You know, I just wedge it out. I don't cut them off or anything. Okay? Don't cut them off. I need to get this floor nice and smooth for the vinyl flooring, so I can't just pound these in crooked. And plus, if I tried to pull up this black paper right now, it would just rip up into 100 little pieces because it would hit all the staples from the floor. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna turn the music on here in a minute. And then I'm just going to have at it. You know? They got to come out sooner or later. And, you know, if these were bigger staples, I don't know if you saw that video. I was watching some guys do a fire damage job at a house. And the staples were down for some 3/4 inch planking. Bamboo planking, and they decided to rip it all up. The staples were a lot bigger than this and wider, and he took a small little nail puller. I've got a nail puller, but it's way too big, the ends. And even if I had a small one, these are too small for it. So see, it comes out. They come out fine. You know. And so I'll just start in one corner over here and just keep working until I get all those. Then I'll be able to pull up the paper, and I'll end up rolling the paper up or doing whatever I can, folding it in half, rolling it up, shoving it in my little Kia bag, taking it out to the dumpster, and then sweeping up again. So this floor, when I get done, is going to look like that floor. Okay? Then I'll be ready to do the rest. Stick with me if you want to see me do the rest. Okie dokie. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.